Apart, a World Bank-funded Government of Assam project is bringing revolution in the agriculture and allied service sector of Assam. It aims to add value and improve resilience of selected agriculture value chain, focusing on smallholder farmers and agro-entrepreneurs in targeted districts of Assam. The project aims to strengthen the backward and forward linkages to integrate producers and markets by organizing the producers into farmers producer companies or FPCs. FPCs are farmer-owned institutions which constitutes of farmers members with common interest and concerns. Objectives of the FPC promotion strategy under APART to strengthen backward and forward linkages to integrate the input suppliers, producers and markets and make the value chains more efficient to develop the capacity and skills of farmer members on bulk purchase of inputs, farm mechanization, aggregation, post-harvest management, value addition and marketing, training on FPC management, governance, bookkeeping and financial management and other related aspects. To facilitate setting up of Common Service Centers or CSCs and Custom Hiring Centers or CHCs to facilitate to access of financial products and services of farmer members. Service provided by FPCs. Input-output marketing services of agri-allied products such as seeds, fertilizers, machineries, etc. Financial services such as credit, savings, insurance, extension, etc. Basic post-harvest operations and marketing linkage services such as contract farming, procurement under MSP, capacity building and networking services such as HRD, policy advocacy, documentation. Support to be provided to FPCs under APART, Common Service Center or CSC, 80% project grant and 20% FPC contribution, maximum project grant Rs 50 lakh per CHC, Custom Hiring Center or CHC, 80% project grant, 20% FPC contribution, operational support 100%, manpower support, CEO, accountant, office assistant 100%. Formation or support to FPCs under APART. The FPCs to be formed and supported under the project will function as per the policy and regulatory framework of Producer Companies Act and as per the bylaws of the organization which will be framed by the FPCs. The management of the organization will be done by the elected board. As the FPCs consist of member farmers, therefore representatives of farmers will manage and oversee the affairs of both FPC and CSC.
So, আমি যেটো এটা বিল্ডিং বনাইছো আমাৰ এটো মিল ঘৰ এই মিল ঘৰৰ সমস্ত মানে আৰ্থিক যেটো আমাৰ সাহায্য আমি এপাতৰ পৰা লৈছো তেখেতসকলে আমাৰ এটো দিছে আমাৰ এটো যেটো আমাৰ 3 বছৰ হৈ গৈছে অলৰেডি আৰু আমাৰ এক্টিভিটি নিশ্চয় তেখেতসকলে ভাল পাইছে তাৰ বিনিময়ত হয়তো তেখেতসকলে আমাক এটো দিছে আৰু এটোৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ খৰচ আমাৰ এপাতে বহন কৰিছে আৰু এতিয়ালৈ যিখিনি খৰচ কৰি আছো আমি এপাতৰ পইচা খৰচ কৰি আছো
আমাৰ কনিয়া যেটো হৈ আছে মানে কিটো টিএসসি এটো বিক্ৰী কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সুবিধা হয় তাৰপৰা যিখিনি আমি খাই লৈ ৰল আৰু সেইখিনি আমাৰ তাতে বিক্ৰী কৰা যাব তাৰপিছত চাউলটো তেওঁলোকে বিক্ৰী কৰি আমাক উচিত দামটো দিব সেইকাৰণে আমি এটো হোৱাৰ কাৰণে বহুত ভাল পাইছো বহুতখিনি সুবিধা আছে আমাৰ কোনো বেপাৰৰ কাৰণে আমি চিন্তা কৰিব নালাগে